أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
अब एक मकाल निकाय मौलाना मुफ्ती महमदुल्लाह साहब दारुल देवबंद से हैं। इनका मकाला इंग्लिश में है, मौलाना मोहम्मद सालिम कासमी, ट्रेसिंग द लेगेसी ऑफ हिज थियोलॉजिकल पैराडाइम्स एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल डायमेंशंस। मौलाना मुफ्ती महमदुल्लाह साहब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जैसा कि बताया गया कि मेरे मकाले का मौजू है ख़ातिमुल इस्लाम मौलाना मोहम्मद सालिम कासमी, ट्रेसिंग द लेगेसी ऑफ हिज थियोलॉजिकल पैराडाइम्स एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल डायमेंशंस, जिसका उर्दू मफ़हूम ये है कि ख़ातिमुल इस्लाम मौलाना मोहम्मद सालिम साहब कासमी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह और उनकी इल्मी व फ़िक्री वरासत का पस मंज़र। इस मकाले में का ख़ुलासा मैंने अंग्रेज़ी ही में तैयार किया है, जिसमें पहले हज़रत शाह वलील्लाह मुहद्दिस देहलवी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की तहरीक पर रोशनी डाली गई है। शाह वलील्लाह मुहद्दिस देहलवी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की तहरीक पर रोशनी डाली गई है। फिर करीब हो जाए अच्छा, और उसके बाद हज़रत नानवी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने तहरीक वलीउल्लाही के सिलसिले में जो अज़ीमुश्शान खिदमात अंजाम दी हैं उसका ज़िक्र किया गया है। और फिर उसी पस मंज़र में हज़रत हकीमुल इस्लाम मौलाना कारी मोहम्मद तैयब साहब रहमतुल्लाह अलैह और फिर उसके बाद हज़रत मौलाना मोहम्मद सालिम रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की जो खिदमात हैं उनका तज़किरा किया गया है। अंग्रेज़ी खुलासा पेश खिदमत है। So at a time when Newton was laying the foundation for classical mechanics, explaining the law of gravity and the laws of motion, which was going to herald an era of scientific revolution, Shah Walillah Muhaddis Dehlvi was laying the foundations of interpretation Islam in rational style. He fortified the fort of Islam with necessary academics arsenals even before Charles Darwin came and dominated the world with his theory of evolution against a backdrop of disbelief and skepticism. Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi was born at a critical time when, owing to the modern scientific theories, atheism and materialism ruled over the academic world, and Europe was roaring with scientific revolution, while the East was conquered by European explorers and invaders. So he embarked upon the high task of elucidating and consolidating the Waliullahi mission. Later, this Waliullahi and Qasmi mission was forwarded and expanded by a group of ulama, especially Hakimul Islam Qari Muhammad Tayyib Qasmi Sahab Rahmatullah Alayhi. Then the most prominent scholar of the next generation was Maulana Muhammad Salim Qasmi, who upheld this movement and continued it to foster it with his pen and tongue. Maulana Muhammad Salim Qasmi was bestowed great in-depth scholarship and versatility. He enjoyed broad study, wisdom and insight. His lectures, speeches and writings reflect a unique style of interpreting Islam in a rational style and in line with the thoughts of Shah Walillah and Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanadwi Rahmatullah Alayh. This is the reason that he was called an interpreter of this thought and Shah Walillahi mission. Maulana Muhammad Salim Qasmi was conferred with Shah Walillah Award by the prestigious Muslim think tank Islamic Objective Studies, and similarly he was given Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi Award in Turkey for his unmatched contribution in the field of theology and Islamic philosophy. The second most prominent aspect of his personality was that he was stuck to i'tidal, moderation even in extreme situations. Not only in his personal life, rather in other social religious issues too, he maintained equilibrium between two extremes and avoided stands that could harm the social and religious fabric of the Ummah. This was the reason that he was popular among all sections of Muslims and enjoyed their trust. he served as Vice President of All India Muslim Faisla Board and President of Majlis-e-Mushawarat and Head of the Islamic Fiqh Academy. It's painful that the Ummah does not differentiate between these things and falls prey to disunity and disputes. If this principle is held with firm resolution, the Ummah can overcome its most dangerous disease of disunity. However, if you look back at the series of events in the religious and spiritual world, the sun of Islam faced eclipses during these crucial times, but by the virtue of these intellectual efforts, it came out dazzling brighter. There is a strong affinity between these events and the movement of Ahmad Farooq al-Hindi, Asr Hindi, known as Mujaddid Ali al-Faisani, by virtue of whose efforts the Deen Akbari, the deadliest fitna of the millennium, led by the Mughal Emperor Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, was reverted, and later Mughal throne was inherited by pious rulers like Jahangir. And the same condition happened with science as well, as the science has become very much favorable now to Islam because of the intellectual and theological contribution of these ulama. And among them is Maulana Muhammad Salim Qasmi rahmatullah alayhi. Here I conclude wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
أنا العبد الذي كسب